Effective communication. Let's talk about communicating effectively. The teacher posted an assignment for their online class. It will be submitted after 3 days. Marisa is worried because she can't submit the assignment on time since she is sick. She decided to ask her classmate to let her copy her assignment so that she can submit it on time. Her classmate agreed and Marisa submitted her assigned task in due time. The teacher checked their works and found out that the two girls' answers are the same. The teacher called the students' and parents' attention because of cheating. Marisa's classmate explained the truth. The teacher accepted their explanation, but the mistake has been done. If Marisa has communicated the true reason, that won't happen. The teacher reprimanded them and they promised that they won't do it again. Thank you for watching.